Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Nexo tokens on the Nexo platform. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy Nexo tokens on Nexo platform using the Nexo mobile app. The first thing to do is to open the Nexo mobile app and log in using your email address and password if prompted. From the home screen, check the bottom of your screen and you find a couple of icons representing Davis features, including Dashboard, Wallet, Markets, Card, Exchange. Select Wallet. And once you select Wallet, it's going to take you to this page where you have a couple of old digital assets, including BTC, ETH, Nexo, BNB, XRP, LTC, URX, and a couple of more. Go ahead and click on Nexo Token. And it's going to take you right into the Nexo token window. In here, you can choose to buy Nexo or top up Nexo. So select buy Nexo if you want to buy with a card, or top up Nexo from an external wallet. Once you choose any of those options, specify the amount of Nexo tokens you wish to purchase. The app will usually display the equivalent amount in your chosen funding currency. Check the current exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the total cost before proceeding with the purchase. Once you've verified all details, tap Confirm to initiate the transaction. I will not be able to proceed with any of this because I have not verified my identity, but if you have, then you can just proceed. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, that's 2FA, you will need to enter the 6-digit code from your authenticator app to confirm the purchase. The purchase should complete within moments, and you receive a notification confirming that the transaction was successful. After the purchase is completed, navigate to your wallet section in the app to confirm that the Nexo tokens are reflected in your account balance. By following the steps, you can successfully buy Nexo tokens on the Nexo platform, allowing you to take advantage of the benefits and features associated with holding Nexo tokens. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.